Do you know that garlic is not just a flavorful addition to many dishes? It is a natural powerhouse of important nutrients and compounds that can positively impact your health. For better explanation, we could liken garlic to a natural shield for the body. Just as a shield protects a warrior from external threats, garlic fortifies the body's defenses, helping to ward off illnesses and protect overall health. Hi guys, it's your next door nurse Florence, and you're welcome once again. If this is your first time here, I'm glad to have you. On this channel, we talk all about emergency preparedness, health and wellness tips. Today, we'll be discussing the health benefits of garlic. Let's get right into it. Garlic has long been used for its medicinal properties, and research has confirmed its numerous health benefits. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which has been found to have potent medicinal properties. Allicin is responsible for many of garlic's health benefits, such as its antiviral, antibacterial, antifungal, and antioxidant properties. These properties make garlic an effective natural remedy for tackling common illnesses and ailments. Some of the key health benefits of garlic include 1. Immune boosting. Garlic is known for its ability to support the immune system and help the body fight off infections. It has been shown to enhance the function of certain immune cells, which can help prevent and reduce the severity of colds and other illnesses. 2. Heart health. Garlic has been found to have a positive effect on heart health, as it can help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. 3. Antioxidant properties. Garlic contains powerful antioxidants that help protect the body from damage caused by free radicals. This can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer and diabetes. 4. Anti-inflammatory effects. Garlic has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body, which is linked to a wide range of health issues including arthritis, digestive disorders, and cardiovascular disease. 5. Antimicrobial properties. Garlic has natural antibacterial and antiviral properties that can help fight off infections and protect the body from harmful microorganisms. 6. Improved digestion. Garlic has been shown to help improve digestion and promote gut health. It can help support the growth of beneficial gut bacteria and reduce the risk of digestive problems such as bloating and gas. Overall, the health benefits of garlic are extensive and can be a valuable addition to a healthy diet. Whether eaten raw, cooked, or in supplement form, incorporating garlic into your daily routine can provide a range of health benefits and contributes to overall well-being. So do well to pop some garlic into your food when next you're cooking. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this topic. If you found it helpful and useful, please give me a thumbs up by clicking on the like button. Subscribe to my channel for free by clicking on the red subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. I'm still your next door nurse, and I'm just a knock away. I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video.